poking back here and rotate open. Here, rotate open. That's where the ears are going to go. So a ball, finger over half. This is for one of the ears. This tool here, the back of it, roll, pick it up, kind of pinch that, pop it inside. One more, ball, finger over half. I don't like that, it has lines in it. Okay, let me open this mouth. Now that I can see it from my angle, it's a little messed up. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put it on at an angle. Okay, and then we can do a nose. So take a piece of brown or chocolate fondant, like this, a ball. Put finger over half to make it more of a teardrop shape, and then place it right over the middle there. Okay, eyes, need the white fondant for the eyes. Ball, roll up and back, make it the oval shape that we've been doing on all of them. Lost it. Okay, so let's take some of this darker brown and mix it with the light for the mane. Okay, what I usually do is make a cord. Bring it all the way around. So I make a cord and then I flatten one edge like this. You can even go down here and cut like this, or use small scissors once it's on there. A lot of times I'll do both. And then, so this one can go behind his ears. He's going to have a hat, so I don't have to worry about the middle part. There's part of it. The other side, make a cord. Kind of pinch the one side. Okay. It was sticking to my finger, so I just touched the cornstarch. A little water. Sometimes once I get it on there, I can use this too. Let me turn it and pull that in. And that helps attach it. Okay, and then we just add some extra pieces.